Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're stepping outside literally to talk about one of the most magical parts of the holiday season, outdoor Christmas decorations. There's just something so special about walking or driving through neighborhoods filled with twinkling lights, festive wreaths, and glowing reindeer. It's not just decoration, it's an atmosphere, a feeling, a warm invitation that says, Christmas lives here. Now, decorating the exterior of your home for Christmas isn't just about showing off your festive spirit. It actually has deeper meaning, emotional benefits, and even practical advantages that many people overlook. Let's dive into why it matters, what it brings to your life, and how you can make your outdoor space look stunning this holiday season. First, let's talk about the importance of outdoor Christmas decor. Your home's exterior is the first thing people see, and during the holidays, it becomes a symbol of warmth, generosity, and joy. A beautifully decorated front yard or balcony doesn't only bring happiness to you and your family, it also spreads cheer to neighbors, visitors, and even strangers passing by. In a world that can sometimes feel rushed or disconnected, these decorations remind us of community, tradition, and togetherness. They say, "You're not alone. It's Christmas time, and the spirit of joy is all around us." Psychologists have even found that decorating for Christmas early or creating festive surroundings can actually make people feel happier. The colors, the lights, and the nostalgic symbols activate memories of comfort and belonging. So when you decorate your outdoors, you're not just making your home look beautiful, you're literally creating joy and positive energy around you. Now let's talk about the benefits. Decorating your outdoor space can instantly transform your home's curb appeal. Even the simplest touches, a garland on the railing, a glowing wreath on the door, or some fairy lights on a tree, can make your home feel more inviting and elegant. It gives your house that magical glow that people love during the holidays. Another benefit is the sense of creativity and relaxation it brings. Working on your Christmas decor can be a wonderful stress reliever. Planning the color scheme, choosing the lights, arranging the ornaments, all of it gives you a chance to slow down, focus on something beautiful, and express your personality. Some people go for the traditional red, green, and gold, while others love modern whites, blues, or even pastels. The best part is that there's no wrong way to do it. Your imagination sets the limits. And if you have children, decorating outside can become an unforgettable family tradition. Kids love being part of it, hanging ornaments, plugging in lights, or just helping decide where to put the Santa figure. It becomes more than just decoration. It's a shared experience, one that creates warm memories that they'll carry forever. Now let's move on to some ideas and suggestions for decorating your outdoor space beautifully. One of the easiest ways to start is by focusing on lighting. Lights are the soul of Christmas decor. You can go classic with warm white LED lights, which give a cozy and timeless look, or mix in cool whites and blues for a frosty winter wonderland effect. Wrap them around trees, bushes, windows, and even along the roofline. Net lights are great for hedges, and string lights work beautifully for outlining doors or windows. If you want something more eye-catching, you can add pathway lights or glowing candy canes along the walkway. They guide guests to your door and add a storybook charm to your exterior. And if you have a porch or balcony, consider hanging lanterns or fairy light jars. They're simple to make and create a soft, magical glow at night. Now, if you have space in your yard, you can create scenes or themed corners. Maybe a mini Santa's workshop with elves and gift boxes, or a peaceful nativity scene illuminated softly by spotlights. Inflatable decorations are popular too, and while some people prefer a more elegant look, there's nothing wrong with adding a touch of fun with a giant Santa or snowman, especially if you have kids around. You can also use natural elements to elevate your decoration. Pine cones, branches, and wooden ornaments blend perfectly with outdoor spaces and bring a rustic charm. Combine them with string lights or candles inside lanterns to make the space cozy and elegant. If you live in a place where it doesn't snow, don't worry. You can still create that magical winter vibe. Use white garlands, faux snow sprays, and icy blue lighting. Add some silver or crystal ornaments to reflect the light and mimic the sparkle of snowflakes. Now let's touch on safety and practicality because that's important too. Always use outdoor-rated lights and extension cords designed for exterior use. Check for any damaged wires before plugging them in, and make sure everything is weatherproof. A smart timer or remote-controlled plug can also save you energy, and let you schedule when your lights turn on or off automatically. It's eco-friendly, convenient, and keeps your electric bill under control. Speaking of energy, LED lights are the best choice. They last longer, consume less power, and are safer since they don't overheat. You can even find solar-powered lights now, which charge during the day and automatically light up at night. Perfect for gardens or fences. Another beautiful touch you can add is music or movement. Some modern light displays can sync with holiday tunes or change colors in rhythm with the melody. It adds a fun interactive element that kids and visitors will love. But remember, decorating outdoors isn't just about quantity, it's about harmony. You don't need to fill every space with light or ornaments. Sometimes less is more. Focus on balance, color coordination, and creating a cozy, unified scene that reflects your personality. And here's another beautiful thing about decorating the outside of your home for Christmas. It connects you with your community. When you walk down the street and see the glow of houses decorated with lights, each one unique and filled with love, you feel that sense of shared excitement. Neighbors often stop by to admire each other's displays, take pictures, or even exchange decorating tips. Sometimes entire neighborhoods coordinate colors or themes, like Winter Wonderland or classic red and green. It becomes a collective celebration, something that brings people together in such a simple yet powerful way. Outdoor Christmas decor also creates beautiful photo opportunities. Whether it's family pictures under twinkling lights or selfies on the porch with a sparkling background, these decorations become the setting for moments you'll want to remember. You can even design a small photo corner outside your home, maybe with a Christmas bench, some wrapped gift boxes, and fairy lights behind, so your friends and family can capture magical memories together. Another great advantage is that outdoor decorations can enhance your home's value and impression during the holidays. If you're hosting guests, planning gatherings, or even expecting visitors from afar, a well-decorated exterior immediately creates a welcoming atmosphere. It gives your home that polished, festive look that says you care about your surroundings and love sharing joy. Now let's talk about themes, because choosing a theme helps bring everything together beautifully. One timeless option is the traditional Christmas theme. Think red ribbons, green garlands, golden ornaments, and warm yellow lights. It's cozy, nostalgic, and never goes out of style. Then there's the Winter Wonderland theme, which uses white, silver, and icy blue tones to recreate the look of snow and frost. Add crystal-like ornaments, shimmering stars, and soft white lighting. It's elegant, clean, and calming. For a more playful vibe, you can go for a Santa's Village theme, filled with reindeer, elves, candy canes, and bright colors. It's cheerful and great for homes with children because it brings fantasy to life right in your front yard. Or maybe you love rustic Christmas, with wood textures, plaid patterns, burlap ribbons, and pine cones. This look gives your home a cozy cabin feel, perfect if you enjoy a more natural and homely atmosphere. If you're into something elegant and modern, you could try a luxury Christmas style with metallics, gold, champagne, or rose gold accents, paired with white or cream tones. Add minimal yet sophisticated decor like large bows, subtle twinkling lights, and statement pieces such as a grand wreath or a pair of symmetrical trees by the entrance. Whatever your theme, the secret is consistency. Pick your color palette and style, and make sure everything complements it, from the lights to the ribbons and ornaments. That's what gives your decor that professionally designed look. Now let's move on to some creative ideas that can make your outdoor decoration stand out. One idea is to frame your windows with lights or garlands. It adds depth and symmetry, making your house look like a glowing Christmas postcard. You can also hang giant ornaments or stars from your porch ceiling or trees for a whimsical touch. If you have bushes or plants, try decorating them with mini ornaments or tiny bows. It's a small detail that makes a big difference. And for your lawn, a glowing nativity scene or an illuminated reindeer family adds an enchanting focal point. A trend that's growing in popularity is mixing traditional and modern elements. For example, combining classic pine garlands with sleek LED strip lights, or pairing wooden decorations with metallic finishes. It gives your decor a fresh and balanced look. Another beautiful and simple idea is using planters or pots. Fill them with evergreen branches, red berries, pine cones, and fairy lights. Place them on each side of your door or staircase to create a cozy, festive entrance. If you live in an apartment or have limited space, don't worry. There are still many ways to bring Christmas magic outdoors. You can hang a wreath on your door, wrap your balcony railing with lights, and place small illuminated trees or lanterns on the floor. Even a few touches can completely change the atmosphere. And for those who like something unique, DIY decorations are a fantastic way to personalize your outdoor display. You can make your own wooden signs with messages like "Merry Christmas" or "Let it snow," create paper snowflakes for your windows, or design your own light-up stars using wire frames. It's fun, affordable, and makes your decorations truly one of a kind. Another suggestion is to incorporate scent. Yes, even outdoors. Fresh pine, cinnamon sticks, and cloves can make your porch smell like Christmas. You can place them in small decorative pots or tie them into wreaths. The combination of sight, sound, and smell turns your space into a full sensory experience. Now, if you're someone who enjoys sustainability, there are eco-friendly ways to decorate too. Choose reusable decor made from wood, metal, or fabric instead of plastic. Use solar-powered lights to save energy, and when the season ends, store your decorations carefully so they last for years. It's both responsible and economical. And one final touch that often gets overlooked: music. Soft Christmas music playing from your porch or hidden outdoor speakers adds an incredible layer of magic. Imagine your guests arriving while hearing gentle carols mixed with the glow of your lights. It's pure Christmas magic. At the end of the day, outdoor Christmas decorating is about celebration, connection, and joy. It transforms your home into a beacon of holiday spirit, spreads smiles to everyone who sees it, and fills your own heart with warmth every time you come home. It's an act of generosity because you're sharing beauty and happiness with others, even those you don't know. So this year, take the time to decorate your outdoors. Let your lights shine bright, your wreath welcome everyone who passes by, and your home glow with the true magic of Christmas. Whether you go big or keep it simple, what truly matters is the feeling behind it, the love, the hope, and the sparkle of kindness that define this special season. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed these decoration ideas, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more inspiration. And of course, hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our new decorating videos. See you in the next one.